Good evening, all. This is Shay Horowitz, ShogunTrading.com. This is our weekly free newsletter. There's a couple of things going on in the market right now that you really need to know about. One of them is Tuesday. Tuesday's FOMC meeting, policy statements. They're going to tell us what they're going to do with our interest rates, whether or not they're going to save the world or not. Market's reacting to it. Market right now is very, very nervous about it. You can see that we had a very nice downtrend in the NDX, and then all of a sudden it stopped, and then came to rescue the market. Market gapped up, pulled back again, back to the support level. That's the support level we were talking about, the 2040, and touched on it. Didn't give us a whole lot of chance for a second entry on the long side, but then it went up for 3 days. Now, you know, we run a day trading service, and during the day trading service, one of the nice things about it, we can actually see the action. We can actually see what the market is doing. And frankly, there's no sellers out there. The market is just buying and buying and buying and buying and buying, and any pullback is being bought right now. Maybe it's shorts covering, maybe it's people accumulating on the long side right now, but that's what we're seeing. Very strange market, very low volume market, because of course everyone is pretty nervous about it. But the action we are seeing is on the long side. So this is a true accumulation, true rally right now. Remember FOMC on Tuesday. Now FOMC, the reaction of the market, of course, depends on expectation. If the market expects a drop of 50, for example, and they don't get a drop of 50, they can react one way. If the market expects a drop of 50 and they get 50, they can react a different way. If the market expects a drop of 25 and they get 50, it all depends on expectation. It all depends whether the market bought in anticipation or sold in anticipation. And right now it looks like they're buying in anticipation of a rate drop. If they don't get the rate drop, we're probably going to drop. But I do have faith in our FOMC, the old wise people, and they could do pretty well for us. So that's the kind of market we're dealing with right now. Is it a long-term market? No, it's a very, very short-term market. Every single one of these moves is very, very short-term, and it involves gaps in the morning and so on. So not fun, but you have to be on the right place at the right time. A lot of my trades right now are designed to take advantage of a one-day move, two-day move. I want the first step out of the gate to be as large as possible. I want stocks that are moving 3%, 4%, 5% the first day. Now that's extremely important. Why? Because if every one of your trades was up 5% as soon as you entered it, you could move your stock to a break even. You could take some profits at 5%. You could take some profits at 4%, at 2%. Whatever your profit taken is, move your stock to break even, and then you're basically playing with somebody else's money. It's no longer your money at risk. That's the beauty behind it. We've all entered trades where we enter the trade, it's up 2 cents, down to 3 cents, up $1, down $1, up $1, down $1, and that makes for a very nervous a trader. Also makes for quite a bit of risk because you don't know if the trade is working or not. So right now, design your trades. Make sure that your trades are designed to break out, to have a huge jump the first day. A lot of our trades right now are doing 3%, 4%, 5% in the first day. That's what you want. Now, what the market does after that, who knows? The market has been really, really choppy right now because of FOMC, because of the holidays and so on. But the first day is what really, really matters. That puts you in the trade in the right foot and puts you in the right direction. So, repeat what I was talking about the market before. Basically, we have a higher bottom on the NDX right now, which means we're in an uptrend. If you look at the S&P 500, very much the same way. Nice downtrend. Everybody thought, the market was going to dive, the market was going to collapse. The big crash of 2007 didn't happen. Higher bottom, the market is coming back up. Is it final? No. I think the market is really waiting for FOMC, and as soon as they come out with FOMC, maybe things will adjust a little bit. For the next couple of days, Monday and Tuesday, I expect very, very low volume in the market. I expect almost no trading at all. I don't suggest you trade. I suggest that you protect what you have open right now. I suggest that you choke your trades, as in move the stops so close that unless the trade is going your way, you're out. That's what you want to do right now, going Monday and Tuesday. After Tuesday, who knows? There's no way I can predict what the market's going to do after Tuesday. One of the reasons why Tuesday is going to be such a high risk is because when announcement comes out, the market can swing up 100, down 100, up 100, down 100, all within 5 minutes. So if you have stops on the long side, if you have stops on the short side, they're both going to get triggered at the same time. Very easy way of losing money. That's why you want to stay out completely. Announcement is going to come out 2:15 Eastern Time on Tuesday. You want to be flat. Even if there is a chance that you will make money, the risk is not worth. The risk is just not worth it. So I prefer to be completely flat going into 2:15 on Tuesday. After that, whatever you got rid of, you can always re-enter. It's no big deal. The re-entry would cost you less than the risk that you would accept by trying to stay in during FOMC when the great volatility comes out. So there's S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, basically the same thing as the S&P 500. We had a very, very nice downtrend, capitalized on it. Now we have a higher bottom, bounced off the 200-day moving average, which is the red line, coming up right now. Again, not a whole lot of stock picks for tomorrow or Tuesday, because I do think that we should be flat after Tuesday. Tuesday night's newsletter, for those that subscribe to it, we'll come up with stock picks. We'll analyze the market. We'll find what our plan is going to be for the next few days. I hope you're enjoying this holiday season. Have a great night. I'll talk to you next weekend. Take care.